In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. You need to start by going into settings and scrolling down to access battery section under storage. Now select System Modes right away and click on High Performance at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance mode is now enabled. In order to disable it, just tap on any other one, like Dynamic. Then select Apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!